What if you could get your first sale online today? All it takes is one sale to give you the belief that it is actually possible to make money online. And if you stick through this whole entire video, I'm gonna show you how you can get your first sale today.
Over habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with some fire content. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I create make money online videos. If you would like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell right now, and my #1 recommendation to make money online will be the first thing in the description. But let's get right to it. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom! So, if you look at what I'm looking at right here, this looks like a whole bunch of heebie-jeebie, like somebody colored this, some kindergarten, right? But this method right here is going to allow you to get money today. I'm going to make it short, sweet, and to the point, right? Now, guys, why do most people not get results in CLICKBANK? Because they don't master one thing, which is traffic generation. If nobody sees what you're promoting, nobody's going to buy it, right? So whether you're a beginner with CLICKBANK or whether you've been doing CLICKBANK for a long period of time or whatever, right? Watch this video to the very end. I promise you, you can get your first sale today, right? So first and foremost, what we need to do before we even break down this, which is the solution to your problem, we need to find an offer, right? Now, for this specific method, the make money online niche is going to be the niche for CLICKBANK offers, right? So with that being said, once you get the CLICKBANK, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the marketplace. Once you go to the marketplace, you're going to want to go down to e-business and e-marketing, right? Next, sure, we'll do affiliate marketing, right? Now, here's the thing. What I would highly recommend, and first and foremost, 5 minute profits. I would recommend looking at all of these and doing your research to see which is actually a good offer, because I've done research on a couple of these offers. For example, 5 minute profits. I personally wouldn't promote this to my list because it's a shitty offer, right? But do your own due diligence. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and filter by the gravity score, right? And let's see. So CB University, that didn't convert very well for me. If you want to get your first sale today, I would highly recommend starting with a low ticket offer because they convert higher, because people are more than likely to actually make a payment on something that's a lot less, right? So an example, super affiliate system, easy instant profits. A lot of these are bullcrap offers, so you want to make sure you do your due diligence, right? For this example, but do not quote me on this, guys. I do not endorse some of these products that I'm showing you, but just for the speed of implementation of this video, I highly recommend you do your own research and your own due diligence on these offers in CLICKBANK. But for example, I would never promote 5 minute profit sales. I'm telling you this on this video, but for this example, I'm going to show you how to do this method with this video. So the first part, this whole entire method, is finding a reputable product that can make you money, but that's ethical and that's going to help the people that you actually sell it to, right? So now that we got that out of the way, what I would do is once I find a good offer with a high gravity score, I'm going to go ahead and press promote, right? And what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and create a link, and then you're going to go ahead and get this long link, right? Your CLICKBANK link, right? Now, what we're going to do, right, is we have two options. Do we want to go ahead and send traffic directly to the actual sales page? No, that's what most people tell you to do. That's not how you do it, right? What you want to do is you want to go ahead and send them to something like this, right? What this is something called a capture page. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be capturing their email address before they actually get to the sales presentation, right? Here's the sales presentation. I do not endorse 5 minute profit sites, right? But an example is, here's what a sales presentation would look like. What you would do is you'd connect something like this sales page on the back end of the capture page, right? What I use is I use ClickFunnels, right? If you guys want a template that I created myself, you can go to copypasteprofitfunnel.com, right? I'll show you guys. Copy paste profitfunnel.com, I think. As soon as you guys press yes, get instant access, you'll be able to get access to the funnel template. You'll be able to create your own funnel, right? Now, once you go and create your own funnel, then what you're going to want to do, right, is connect your sales page, your affiliate sales page, right, that link that we just collected from ClickBank. You're going to want to connect it on the back end of your sales funnel, right, your capture page. Now what we're going to do, instead of driving traffic to that sales page, we're going to drive traffic to our sales funnel. But the magic piece is the traffic, guys. And without getting people there, you're not going to be able to make money. You're not going to be able to make your sale today, right? So stick to the end, right? But how does this work now, right? Now, this essay, right, we're going to go ahead and break down what traffic method that is and how you're going to be able to leverage that to get your first sale today, right? But what's important is this method that we're going to be covering right now is these two pages. So here's the page where is the landing page that you have to create with ClickFunnels. I already done that for you, copy paste profitfunnel.com. The second page is the sales page that they created. So you don't have to create the landing page. You don't have to create the sales page because ClickBank did that for you. So all you have to do is connect these two. And then last but not least, right, is once you start collecting those leads, you need something called an autoresponder, right? And you can set that up later, right? What's important is that you collect the leads. So once you collect the leads, right, you're going to have these emails which enables you to actually follow up with these people, right? Because chances are 90% of the people who visit your sales page, they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, right? People only buy from people they know, like, and trust. So the only way they're going to go ahead and buy from you is if you follow up with them multiple times, right? Send them value-based emails, send them emails about other products within the niche, send them blog posts, YouTube videos, just value, and then recommendations here and there. So that way, if they don't buy from you up front, right, when you do email marketing on the back end, they'll be able to actually buy from you, right? So if they don't buy from you the first time, cool, I have their email, I can follow up, and maybe the 10th time they make a purchase, right? But if you don't grab that email and they visit your page and they leave, you never get to see them ever again, right? So now that we got that out of the way, how do we get people to this landing page? We get people to this landing page through a solo ads, right? So what we're going to be doing is leveraging something called Udemy, right? So Udemy is basically, you can go to the links in the description. It'll be in the resources page. It'll say traffic, and then you can get access to this link, right? Udemy is something called a solo ad. It's somebody who has a big email list, and then what they're going to do is they're going to leverage their email list and drive traffic to your sales funnel, right? The landing page, the little capture page that captures those emails. So what's going to happen is you're simply going to go ahead and look for solo deals, right? Or even find sellers. And then what you want to do is you want to go and filter it to people who have at least a minimum of 30% sales. What that means is you have a 30% chance of getting a sale because 30% of the people who have ran traffic with these providers have gotten a sale, right? So what does that mean? If I have a 30% chance of getting a sale, all I have to do is make 3 purchases and I'm going to go ahead and get a sale, right? Hypothetically. So with that being said, what we want to do is reach out to one of these people. This guy, an example, I have no idea who he is, but Mr. Singh, he has a 36% rate, but he's charging 95 cents, way too much. So what I would do is find somebody who has a good price, right, who has a high percentage. Example, Roy Tay has 55 cents that he's charging per click. So if I spend $55, I can get 100 clicks and 45% chance of getting a sale, right? You can get your first sale simply by driving solo ads, right? Driving traffic to your sales funnel. And then if you don't get a sale, you'll still get a sale in the back end because you have those leads and you can follow up with those leads. Now, for those of you who do not know how to do all this stuff, who don't know how to create the sales funnels, who are looking for other traffic methods, who are looking for all that extra stuff, right? There is a training, a more in-depth training that you guys can get access to that I held myself, right? It might be a live training or it might be a replay, not exactly sure, but you can click the link below, the first link, and you guys can get access to that training, and it'll go ahead and show you guys this a little bit more in depth, right? But take action, create the sales funnel, copy paste profitfunnel.com, connect your affiliate offer, make sure that it's somebody that you know, like, and trust, right? Just don't promote any offer because you want to build a relationship with these people. You don't want to be promoting shitty products. And last but not least, create a Udemy account. You can find the link in the resources. Once you create the account, drive traffic, Continue to drive traffic, get sales. Once you start getting sales, reinvest that money back into your business to buy more traffic, rinse and repeat, do it over and over and over again, and eventually walk away from that fucking 9 to 5. So with that being said, if you like that video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That's the solution, guys. It's sales funnels, traffic, and follow. That's how you guys make money online with affiliate marketing. And number 2, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell. I create value-based content every single day to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. And I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Yeah, Gucci gang. Oh, yeah.
Big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.